Hello friends, good morning. Today we are discussing a very important topic of law in respect of implementation, execution or enforcement of the orders, judgment or decree of the court. As we all know, implementation or enforcement of the order of the court is as important as the order itself. If you have obtained an order from any court of law, but if it cannot be enforced, it cannot be executed, then it is useless. What we are discussing today, an order of maintenance passed by a competent court of law. An order of maintenance had been passed in favor of a daughter. The aggrieved father filed an appeal against the order. The appellate court did not grant any stay and the appeal is still pending. In the meantime, the father died. Now the issue before the court is whether the order of maintenance which was passed in favor of the daughter could be implemented at this stage when the father is no more. As we know, Section 125 Class 3 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 authorizes the court to enforce the order of maintenance. Similarly, to add further, Section 128 of the CRPC deals with the enforcement of the order of maintenance. It is also without any doubt that an order of interim maintenance can be enforced in the same way as the final order of maintenance. Thus, coming back to the problem, the person against whom the order has been filed, although he filed the appeal but could not obtain any stay, and now he is no more on the earth. So, in such situations, a matter came before the court in Iyad Ali versus Lal Bibi way back in 1914 when there was no Criminal Procedure Code of 1973 and it was the old Criminal Procedure Code of 1898. Section 488 of the old Criminal Procedure Code was similar to that of Section 125 of the new code. The Honorable High Court, while interpreting the enforcement of the order of maintenance against the dead, held that after the death of the person, the order of maintenance cannot be enforced. Thereafter, again, the matter came for consideration before the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Prithviraj Singh versus Srimati Panveer Kaur. You can note down the citation. It is Prithviraj Singh versus Srimati Panveer Kaur, 1986, Criminal Law Journal, page 1432. So I remember the judgment because when I was the judicial officer, I was the judge posted at Faridabad, a similar situation arose before me that whether the order of maintenance can be enforced against the dead person. In the above case, Prithviraj Singh case, the Honorable High Court considered number of decisions and judgments of the Supreme Court also on various issues that maintenance is a public interest legislation, social legislation, is based on the directive principles of the Constitution and so on so far. The court concluded that this kind of social legislation should be liberally interpreted. The court did not accept the theory laid down way back in 1914 in Iyad Ali case that once a person died, the person in whose favor the order of maintenance has been passed left with no remedy. After considering the important point that he failed to pay without sufficient cause. The word used under section 125 clause 3 is that the court can order if the person failed to pay without sufficient cause. So now it was argued that it is a sufficient cause, the person had already died, therefore the order cannot be enforced against him. However, the court declined to accept that plea and concluded that till the date the person was alive, till that date he was liable to pay the amount of maintenance. The court said that although after death the situation changes, the order cannot be enforced against him or his properties or his estate. But so far as the period from the date on which the order was passed and the date on which the person has died, during this period, the amount or the arrears of maintenance can be recovered against the properties of the deceased, against the estate of the deceased. And so far as my knowledge is concerned, this law laid down in Prithvi Raj Singh case in 1986 still hold the fields. It has not been overruled or dissented by any other judgment. So now what is the law is that once an order of maintenance is passed, it can be enforced against the deceased, but only for the period from the date of the passing of the order till the person died. And after the death, because the order of maintenance was in favor of his daughter, so the daughter can always claim her right under the law of succession, subject to the provisions that he has not executed any will or there were some other disputes that can be seen in the context of the law of inheritance. But so far as maintenance is concerned, she is very much entitled to recover her arrears against the properties of the deceased, because the court has interpreted the words failed without sufficient cause means that the court can reach to the conclusion that the person failed without sufficient cause till he was alive and he was liable to pay the maintenance. He failed to pay the maintenance without sufficient cause. As such, the maintenance amount, the arrears can be recovered from his properties. Thank you.